My name is Julian Murray. I work for here at Fairfax County Government, Department of Family Services. I'm under the Protection and Preservation Unit, and my title is Family Safety Practitioner 3. I've been with the county for 4.5 years. It will be 5 years, actually a little bit more. It'll be 5 years in the end of June. So I think my professional background really will start from a childhood almost. I think from my upbringing, how I was brought up in a very developed system with my family, had a great upbringing. But I always noticed that in social work, there are such loving people as growing up. I always noticed that anytime that things may have not been as great for my family or friends, I always noticed there was a social worker around. And I was like, hey, that's what I want to do. I want to do exactly what they do. So I decided to go to school and pursue my bachelor's degree in social work. I will be done with my master's in August of this year in social work. And we see what happens after that. My professional background with it is that I've worked in this field for the last 16, 17 years. I love what I do. I've been working from shelters to another Department of Family Services in Massachusetts. I also worked under the lens of, I used to be a police officer for 5 years, but I was also assigned to a family service unit in the police department. But that's some of my professional development. I also worked in benefits department. So I've been a little bit of everything around, but ultimately I found myself home back in the Department of Family Services. The most rewarding part of this work for me, in my particular role, I truly enjoy working for Protection and Preservation because I get to be with the client from the beginning to the end. I get to see the client progress. I like to say that we start at the bridge and we walk over it together, and then I finally say, hey, it's time for you to go and let go of my hand. I love that progress. There's a lot that goes into it. That progress is just tremendous work that you do. You develop such a great relationship. It's all about trust, taking your time with the client, but just having that timeline of just walking with them through the whole journey. It's just something special about that. We really deal with a lot of clients that are already great. They know their family's best. We're just really encouraging them. We're really helping show their strengths that they already have. So we're not there to tell them what to do. We're just really there to support them. We're a strength-based agency. We focus on the needs and what their strengths already are. But it's having that truly walking the path with them. It's just a great journey to be there with them. Fairfax is something special. We're one Fairfax. We get along. We work together as a team. You're never alone here. You're never making a decision by yourself ever. So you never have that sense of pressure. We're always looking for vibrant people that care about this work and passionate and compassion, having grace, being kind, teamwork. Those things are really vital here. That's something that we really live by here. True way to really make yourself successful here at the organization. And not just that, there's opportunities here. You come in, and as I said before, being for 3 years and being promoted, I think the opportunity for promotion is unlimited here. If you want it for yourself, this is the place to be. I'm here. I love it. I don't plan on leaving. I want to stay, and hoping the next opportunity for me is to be promoted as a supervisor one day.